other ones, we are joking. We are not serious. As a country, we are not serious. If we don't fund agriculture, we can as well forget about development. We can forget about cost reduction of cost of living. We can forget about creating jobs. We can forget about many.
Thutha wa thirikari nene kurugura ikereka ria keri ria uheani wa bataraitha kuri arimi guothe bururi-ini, riu nimeriire arimi ati nimegukorwo makinina mathina maria magereire ikereka-ini ria mbere mwaka-ini wa 2023. Ministri ya urimi itongoretio ni Mwandiki mukaru Paul niaugite ati gukinyiria riu kaunti 40 nicio cikinyeirwo ni bataraitha ino.
A good example is a program which we have distributed money 172 million to the benefiting counties, each of the counties, and 142 million are for capacity building. So I'm just putting that, and then 30 million somehow is for real program.
Gukiri uguo, ministri ya urimi yugite ati ni anjiririe wenji wa ndobori cia mai makiria icigo-ini iria cigomeirwo ni ukia na ng'aragu niguo gutigirira urimi ni wagacirithio na gikiro kinene.
Millions to assist us to have tangible programs on the ground. We will not survive in agriculture without water, without seeds. You know, those are things which matters. Roads in some areas you cannot pass. So instead of you have heard about the capacity building, you will see some shaping. So there is a committee also. You have tangible programs on the ground.
Hindi ya mucemanio uyu, kamiti ya bunge ya gibururi nithirimite uria ministri ya urimi yahuthirire kigina kia mwaka wa 2022 nginya 2023 kuona kuri na magesha ministri-ini ino.
Your target for 2022-23 in terms of crop insurance was 200,000 farmers. You only achieved 48,706. Those are the ones that were reached. And the funding, the amount of money that you spent was 129 million. So you are asking for 200. You have reached less than half, and you have used more than half of the money.
Uthunduri na uthii wa na mbere wa matura ni mamwe ma maundu maria matheremete na gikiro kinene sekta-ini ya urimi. Ngiribotera Mwandiki TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiririe.